Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can combine the clips in CapCut PC using Max. For instance, select two video to track and make one video as an overlay. Just move up, just for the duration in the same length. So, and then select the overlay just for the position like so, or to the left or to the right, like you like, and just for the main video, and then just going to just for the position to the left like so. Select the overlay, select max, select split, and just going to rotation. So just make it center like so. Here we go. Okay, that's how to combine clips using Max in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.